Welcome back, future pharmacists. If I say Dalchini, you think of chai. But if I say Cinnamomum zeylanicum, you need to think of GPAT, microscopy, and volatile oils. Today, we are breaking down the complete pharmacognosy of cinnamon, from its unique splintery fracture to the high-level cinnamaldehyde content. If you're a B Pharm or D Pharm student, you cannot afford to miss this. Cinnamon. Synonyms: Cortex cinnamoni, Ceylon cinnamon, Saigon cinnamon, Chinese cassia, Cinnamomum aromaticum, Cinnamomum lauris. Biological source: cinnamon is the dried inner bark of the coppiced shoots of Cinnamomum zeylanicum Nice, belonging to family Lauraceae. Geographical sources: Cinnamomum zeylanicum is widely cultivated in Ceylon, Java, Sumatra, West Indies, Brazil, Mauritius, Jamaica, and India. Cultivation and collection: cinnamon is cultivated by seed propagation method. About 4 to 5 seeds are placed in each hole at 2 meters distance between the plants. The tree grows best in almost pure, requiring only 1% of vegetable substance. It prefers shelter and constant rain of 75 inches to rainfall. Cinnamon is an evergreen tree, grows from 20 to 30 feet high, has thick scabrous bark, strong branches. The field is kept away from weeds and the plant is coppiced few inches above the ground, leaving 5 to 6 straight shoots on them. The bark is loosened and the longitudinal incisions are made using copper or brass knife. The bark's arc stripped off and made into bundles and wrapped in core. The bundles are kept aside for about 2 hours to facilitate fermentation due to enzymatic action. The fermentation helps in the loosening of the outer layer up to pericycle. Each strip is taken and then they are scraped using a knife to separate the cork. The pieces are dried and they are categorized and packed one inside the other. Then compound quills are made by packing the small quills into larger ones. They are cut into pieces of 1 meter length and dried first under shade and later under sun. During drying, the original pale color changes to brown due to the presence of some phyllobotanyls in the bark. Characteristics: cinnamon are either in single or double compound quills, with a size of 1 meter length, 0.5 mm thickness, and 6 to 10 mm diameter. The outer surface has yellowish-brown color, having longitudinal lines of pericyclic fiber and scars and holes representing the position of leaves or the lateral shoots. The inner surface is darker than the outer. Cinnamon has a fragrant perfume, taste aromatic and sweet. Microscopy: the transverse section shows the presence of 3 to 4 layers of scleriads, which are horseshoe-shaped, consisting of starch grains. The pericyclic fibers, 6 to 15, are present on the outer margin. It consists of sieve tubes which are completely collapsed and are arranged tangentially. Lignified phloem fibers, arranged as tangential rows of 4 to 5 cells. Biseriate medullary rays with needle-shaped calcium oxalate crystals. Longitudinally elongated edioblast consisting of volatile oil. Subrectangular parenchyma cells with starch grains and calcium oxalate crystals. Chemical constituents: cinnamon contains about 10% of volatile oil, tannin, mucilage, calcium oxalate and sugar. Volatile oil contains 50 to 65% cinnamic aldehyde, along with 5 to 10% eugenol, terpene hydrocarbons and small quantities of ketones and alcohols. Chemical tests: a drop of volatile oil is dissolved in 5 milliliters of alcohol and to it a drop of ferric chloride is added. A pale green color is produced. Cinnamic aldehyde gives brown color with ferric chloride, whereas eugenol gives blue color. The alcoholic extract is treated with phenylhydrazine hydrochloride. It produces red color due to the formation of phenylhydrazone of cinnamic aldehyde. Other species: cinnamon cassia is often used as a substituent. C. Cooliowan is native of Amboina and the bark has the flavor of clove. C. inners, Cassia bermerin, Saigon cinnamon, and C. nitidum are also used. Uses: it is used as an alterative, aromatic, carminative, flavoring agent, analgesic, antiseptic, antirheumatic, antispasmodic, demulcent, digestive, expectorant, stomachic, diaphoretic, antibacterial, antifungal, etc. It stops vomiting, relieves flatulence and is given with chalk and as astringents for diarrhea and hemorrhage of the womb. It is also used in the treatment of bronchitis, colds, palpitations, nausea, congestion, and liver problems. Disclaimer: this content on Cinnamomum zeylanicum is intended for educational and informational purposes only, particularly in the field of pharmacognosy. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The information provided should not be considered as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before using any herbal or medicinal products. The creator is not responsible for any misuse of the information presented. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive into the pharmacognosy of cinnamon. I hope this video helped you visualize the key microscopic characters, like those distinct lignified pericyclic fibers, the parenchyma cells containing starch, and those important acicular calcium oxalate crystals and its uses. Please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.